Hey friends, welcome, welcome. This is Julie. Today I am so excited to do a full unboxing of the upcoming September virtual retreat for Not Too Shabby. Mark your calendars for September 18th through 19th and get ready to join us for a cozy weekend of creativity, inspiration, and community right from the comfort of home. This live hosted event will feature a wonderful mix of live crafting and games alongside premium pre-recorded workshop classes. You can join us live to craft and chat along or catch the replay whenever you can. I am thrilled to be an instructor for this event, and I'll be teaching on day one. I'm going to be teaching a super fun hide and reveal fun fold class. When you open it up, there's a little surprise. And you'll also get 3 other classes during day one, and day one is completely free and the replays will be available. If you want to keep the creative momentum going, there is a class only ticket that gives you a private invitation to day 2 for 4 additional exclusive classes. We also have the retreat kit ticket, which includes the physical retreat kit itself along with your private invitation to day 2. Plus, there is a fantastic early bird bonus. If you order your retreat kit by July 20th, you'll get a mystery bonus item added to your kit, as well as a chance to win a $100 gift voucher to the Not Too Shabby shop. There's a lot of fabulous goodies in the shop, so you'll definitely want your chance at that. So let's get on with the kit. First up is the beautiful Golden Harvest 6x6 paper pad, and it has 12 gorgeous designs, and you'll get 4 of each double-sided paper. I was super excited to see that all the prints are non-directional, so they're going to work with a variety of different projects. So in the pack, you'll find some stripes, some lovely leaves, a nice little plaid, cozy leaf prints, and beautiful warm browns and wheat tones. And on the reverse sides, you'll find an orange plaid, a green gingham, a linen texture brown, a nice green and orange pumpkin theme print, some polka dots, and a lighter pumpkin print. Next in the kit is the stamp set. This is Harvest Leaves, beautifully designed by Call Me Crafty Al. It features gorgeous leaf designs and comes with a handy layering stencil that allows you to color the leaves in effortlessly. The physical retreat kit also includes a coordinating die, though I don't have it right here with me, but you will get a coordinating die if you buy the retreat kit. And it cuts out all the beautiful leaves, so you can use the die and the stencil together, the stencil and the stamp, the stencil and the die, and the stamp and the die. Just a lot of options. Also included in the kit are some beautiful sparkly enamel dots that work perfectly with the colors in the paper pad. And then we'll move on to the Harvest Critters ephemera, and oh my word, this is the cutest collection of ephemera. These fall critters are just adorable. And you get 2 of everything in the ephemera pack, so there's lots to work with. There's this cute little fox with his basket of leaves. And then we have some stacked pumpkins. I always love those images for fall. There's a little squirrel raking leaves, and this adorable little, I don't know, is he a chipmunk, a squirrel? I don't know. I love his overalls though. And then there's cozy warm beverages. There's a couple with beverages, and a sweet little deer, a raccoon, there's some birds, some mushrooms, and some leaves and acorns, and another little squirrel. Just so many options. And oh, that fox, he's so fun. Just a lot of variety in the pack, and I am super excited to be playing with this. Next up, we have a beautiful sentiment set designed by Kristie Marcotte. Both Kristie and Alicia will be instructors on day 2 along with Jamie and Lynn. And Kristie designed these fantastic larger strip sentiments that are perfect for your cards. It includes a whole variety of everyday greetings like "You're awesome," "Just because," "Here for you," sending a paper hug. It's a wonderful staple set that will definitely become a favorite in your craft room, and a lot of these sentiments will work with the ultimate sentiment dies, the larger mats in that set, as well as the Teresa's One and Done die set. And that's everything included in this kit. You can grab yours right now over at the Not Too Shabby shop. I'll have links listed down below. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and I'll catch you on the next one.